Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restart your iPhone 12 in a few different ways. Now, this method can be applied on any of the iPhone 12 or any iPhone with a full screen like this one. So let's get started. First thing is you're going to locate is the volume up and volume down button, and then this big side button. So in order to restart, we need to follow the sequence, which is quickly press and release the volume up, and then quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button just like that. And you're going to keep on holding on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo reappear. At that time, we'll let go of that side button. When it has slide to power off, do not touch that. And once you see the Apple logo, let go of that side button. Again, the method is quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down in sequence, one after another. And again, quickly, and then hold on to that side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appear, and you have just restarted your iPhone 12. Now, another way you can do it is if you have Siri enabled, you can get Siri to actually restart your iPhone by issuing a command like this: "Hey Siri, restart my iPhone."
Just to confirm, you want to restart this device?
Yes. Basically, issuing a command like that, Siri will ask you to confirm, and you confirm, and it will also do a restart for you without even having to touch any of the buttons, just like that. Now, these methods are safe and will not delete any of your personal data, so all of your photos, videos, apps, data, music, whatever you have will be on your iPhone. All this is doing is basically, again, shutting down the phone and its software and then reloading the code, which will go ahead and give you a nice fresh start on your iPhone. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.